Toyota announces the first details and prices of its bZ4X pure electric SUV, ahead of its UK sales launch in 2022. The all-new model, Toyota's first purpose-designed battery electric vehicle, will be offered in 3 equipment grades plus a special, high-specification Premier Edition version to mark its significant debut. The Pure grade is the entry point to the lineup, with features including 18-inch alloy wheels, multimedia system with 8-inch display, 7-inch digital combimeter, reversing camera, smart entry and start, and a climate control system with remote operation function that lets owners warm up or cool their car ahead of making a journey. Options include roof rails and a towing pack. The bZ4X Pure will be offered exclusively with front-wheel drive. The bZ4X Motion introduces a rear spoiler, rear privacy glass, power back door, parking sensors, and an entry illumination sequence. The cabin has heated front seats, the driver's seat with 8-way power adjustment, an ambient lighting system, and a wireless charging tray is provided. Options include a Skyview fixed panoramic roof, 20-inch alloys, and an expanded Toyota teammate safety and driver assistance package. Customers can choose the bZ4X Motion with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive with Toyota's new electric X-MODE system, which gives bZ4X class-leading off-road driving capability. The Vision grade is at the top of the regular model lineup with a prestige specification that includes 5 double-spoke 20-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors with auto brake function, remote-controlled parking assist, synthetic leather seat upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, power back door with kick sensor, and a heated steering wheel. It will also come with a digital key, allowing the vehicle owner to provide access to the vehicle to others by means of a smartphone app. Options include the Skyview roof and towing pack. As with the bZ4X Motion, front-wheel drive and X-MODE all-wheel drive versions are available. To mark the introduction of bZ4X in the UK, a special Premier Edition model has been prepared. This provides all the features of the Vision grade together with a 9-speaker JBL premium sound system and the Skyview panoramic roof. Available exclusively through Toyota's online retail service, it comes as standard with X-MODE all-wheel drive.